Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be looking at the in-cabin air filter in a 2006 Honda Civic. It hasn't been changed since 9 April 2017, so it's been 2 years, but my father-in-law and my mother-in-law's car, they only drove about 10,000 kilometers in 2 years, so I don't expect it being too dirty. So we'll double check, make sure if it's dirty, I got a new filter to change it out with. If it's clean, the process is still the same for you guys. I'll show you how to take it out where it is and how to replace it. So yeah, just come on. We're take a look inside. All right guys, we're inside. So basically what we're gonna do here, it's in the glove box. You're gonna squeeze on these tabs. You're gonna need 2 hands for this. So right here on the 2 tabs, you're gonna squeeze in. It's gonna drop down, and inside here is where your cabin air filter is. So there's 2 tabs. I'll zoom in here for a bit. So there's 1 tab over here. There's another tab somewhere on this side, and all you're gonna have to do is squeeze them both and pull it out. It's that easy, guys. This one actually looks fairly clean, as you can tell. So this one's fairly clean. We're gonna take it and put it back in. That's how you guys change it out. So we're just gonna do the exact same in reverse. Just like that. Bring this up, squeeze in. That's all there is to it, guys. So guys, that's all there is to it. It's very simple. It's something that anybody can do. You don't need to go to a dealership or a mechanic shop to change out your cabin air filter. Just watch my video on the 2006 to I think 2011 Honda Civic, and that's exactly how you change it out. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you thought, and any videos you'd like to see in the future. And don't forget, you can always share with your friends and family. And of course, hit that bell for any notifications of new video and new content coming out. It comes out every Saturday and occasional Wednesday. So thanks for watching, guys, and never stop learning.